Hi, junior high and senior high language arts and humanities teacher friends. I have a great resource that I'd like to share with you. Working with Angela Hazel, who is the language arts and social studies teacher from grade 9 to 12 in Foremost, we have been building a vocabulary word bank. We know that diplomas and PATs are coming up, and we have worked together to put together a vocabulary bank of words that you can use really quickly and easy to get some vocabulary practice in with your students. Now, we know that the best way to practice vocabulary is to use the words that come up in the literature, the pieces that you're reading. However, we also know that it can be helpful to practice vocabulary. And so let's take a look at what we've put together. We're just going to give you a quick video tour here. So what we have is a spreadsheet that we'll share with you, and it has 500 words. This is from a list of words that you might even have the same list if you're a diploma exam teacher. Angela has a list of 500 words from English diploma exams that are often used. And so this is a list. What we've done is we've taken that list, we broke it into groups of 10. And so in those groups of 10, we have created some definitions. And so we've got a page here where you can see we've got 10 words and their definitions. Now, you can change any of these definitions inside of the links that we're going to show you. And if you make your own copy of this, which I wouldn't recommend right away, you can certainly make some changes there as well. Now, what we have here is a list of some things that we hope you find really helpful. So with these word sets, we have taken the words and plopped them into some different programs that you might use. So this is Quizlet. Here's vocab set 1. You can see there's 10 words. We can use these in the traditional Quizlet flashcard with those tools. You can also use these sets then in Quizlet Live and their new checkpoint. You can use them as sets of 10, or you can group them together. We've also taken those and put them into GimKit. And so if we click on our GimKit link here, there it is. You can see here's vocab set 1. They're all ready to go. And GimKit is ready to help you use those words. All right, next we have, we put them into Blooket. And so in Blooket, you'll see this is the dashboard. We're using the free version of all of these tools. And so you can see here set 1, set 2, set 3, set 4. They're showing up in mine because I've already clicked on them. You won't see them in your Blooket account until you click on them and add them to your account. We also have them in PearDeck. Here are the words in PearDeck Factory. I would just come on up here and use content if I wanted to put those into PearDeck Factory. Now, PearDeck also has a brand new tool called Giant Steps. That's PearDeck's attempt to get some gamification with their PearDeck. Now, that's like brand new. It's like in the last 2 or 3 days. So I've got a column here, but we haven't actually created anything. Every time I go to use Giant Steps, I'm still getting a spinning wheel. It's not working. I'm hoping that we'll be able to populate that soon. There are other tools that you could certainly use. So that's why we have these word sets, but we've just started with these ones. You're welcome to put these into Kahoot or other tools. It just takes a little bit more work to do some of those where you have multiple choice options. So we want to share this with you and hope that you make good use of it. If you have questions or ideas or any information about things that might not be working properly, you can just contact me and we'll chat. Great vocabulary practice to you.